Just a scenic drive through Washington's wild side, lined with towering pine trees and quiet lake views. Every curve feels like a movie scene. From Seattle, it's around 4.5 hours to the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park. Totally worth every mile. We took the Hoh River Trail. It's peaceful, easy, and lets you soak in the forest magic. It was the July 4th weekend, so the rainforest was unusually dry. But imagine this place after the rain. I have to come back. If you're in Washington, go! Just go! Hoh Rainforest is a different kind of beautiful. Let me know what you think of Hoh Rainforest in my comments. If you've been here, share your experience. Check my description for more details. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.